My name is Kauw. I do arts as a living. Here in Gambia, people don't know a lot about art. Unless people from Western come to Gambia and buy our artworks. Alright, the help here we actually need is like support. We need a good gallery whereby we can sell our artworks and people can come and look. And we need a good workshop. And don't forget, the materials already include, because proper materials you cannot get them in Gambia here unless you import it from Senegal or Europe. And I don't have that capabilities to do it. Actually, that is the situation that kept me in the loop here. It's like I am not very good in internet sites, like selling my artworks in internet because of dyslexic. I cannot very read and write so much, you know. But my talent is to create and to show people and to teach people what I am doing. And here also I am not a very good seller. I cannot sell very good. I mean, it's like I sell my artwork very poor price because the living here is not that easy. I need to make a living. I mean, if I want to sell my artworks to the price that I love to sell it for, it will be hard for me to make a living because here people saying that no money, no money. So, but there are arts there that ones they sell themselves. Even I don't bargain on it or I don't call for customers. People see it, they like it, they just buy it. Yeah, I would love that if somebody would really help me in that. Actually, my parents died when I was 7 years old. Yeah, somebody was taking care of me. And that person don't have the capabilities to take me to school, to learn or something like that. But his best use for me is like to let me know what my capabilities are. That is what my talents are. That is art. I realized that when I was 12, I was like sitting down with my friends and they were like playing around, playing football, having fun. I was like busy the whole day until the afternoon came. Then I realized that I was so very happy what I was doing on the ground. I was just trying to make a sculpture on the ground. It's a flower. Still now I remember that. That I was letting everybody to know what I was doing on the ground, but people were not so interested about it. So I myself tell myself like, look, if I put this thing as my life, I can make something out of it. Because it's the thing that brings me joy and happiness. And anytime, yeah, and anytime I go out, I feel like doing something is art. I don't have friends because of all my friends have different roads. They have different lifestyle. I like art because art gave me tranquility, gave me peace. It let me know who I am really. It is my duty to do that. Because I will be unfair if I don't pass the knowledge to the young one. So my story to tell the whole world is like, always listen to your heart and let the feelings flow. And whatever you're doing or whatever journey you're doing, always have water in your hand. Or always deal with water, have water. Water is all what contains. And then let us listen to our children. Let us listen to them attentively and always help them in any ways or anyhow they're doing. Never neglect them or say, all right, I don't want you to do this. I don't want you to do this. Let the children do what they feel like to do and always give them hand. You're welcome.